Hi, everybody. Well, I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. The weather was gorgeous today. Really tough to be at work with the conditions that we had. It started cold at 45, some light fog in the area, below normal, but 77 on the afternoon high today, way above normal and the envy of much of the country with a morning low temperature like that. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 722. Here's the fog that we had. This is our WeatherBug camera down in Kingsville, and you can see how it went from kind of dismal starting out to quickly beautiful sunshine and just an absolutely gorgeous day across the entire region. 73 right now. Southeast wind is adding more moisture at low levels. As you can see on our wind speed and direction here, it is a little bit different up in Beeville, but the bottom line is that low-level moisture is coming in, and we're going to see some big-time fog here tonight. In fact, take a look at the visibility forecast. Well, everything's great right now. By around midnight to 1 a.m., we'll start to see visibilities drop to generally 0 to 1 mile. Be a little bit better the further inland you go, and then by 7 a.m. still a lot of zeros on the map here, so driving will be difficult late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Right now in Corpus Christi, all is good. Beautiful picture there of the bayfront. 68 degrees, the dew point temperature, the amount of humidity in the air. The higher this number, the higher the humidity is 61. And so we're forecasting a low of 51. So in order for the temperature to drop below the dew point, it's got to squeeze out that moisture, and that's going to be some big time fog here tonight. So 60s rule the region right now, except further inland where it's still in the 70s, including Robstown. If you're walking the dog this evening, there's good old Preston. He walks me. At 100 pounds, he walks me. All right, so we're going to see temperatures around 60 at 8 o'clock tonight, on into the upper 50s. And the winds will be light, so a light jacket, but nothing to worry about. Get out there and enjoy your dog, especially if you had a new one show up under the tree for the holiday. Satellite and radar shows the tail end of a very weak front. That's going to cause more clouds here tomorrow, and that'll lower our temperature by a couple degrees, but this really isn't a big deal. This system on the west coast this is our next weather maker, and this is a frontal system that'll arrive here. It's Pacific in origin and not Canadian or Arctic, so that'll produce a little bit of rain here on Wednesday, and then temperatures will cool off again. So cooler air coming from the Pacific, and by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, that front will be in the area, and with it we'll see a few showers across the region. We're not talking about a lot of rainfall, unlike what we had last week in parts of the area that was over 2 inches. This is just a couple tenths of an inch of rain. The winds will be light here overnight and in the morning, and that will result in a beautiful day here tomorrow wind-wise, under 10 miles an hour, but the fog will be forming tonight. Marine forecast looks good with the exception of the fog. Wind direction does change from south to east. Highs tomorrow look like this across the area and are generally in the 70s area-wide. With a 7-day forecast, there's a storm shield that you can get the 7-day forecast on, but here is the actual forecast. 70 with scattered showers Wednesday, nice on Thursday and Friday, more scattered showers late Saturday night and Sunday. Katia?
All right, Dale, thank you.